Hi boys and girls. Okay, today's the day where we're going to stamp out all the letters of our name, and then we will add those to our tree that we made last week. So my name is Mrs. Walker. I'm just going to write that up here so I remember all the letters that I need to make sure that I get on my paper. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you do capitals or lowercase. Maybe I'm going to do two M's. Maybe I do capital and a lowercase. Okay, whatever you want to do, just make sure you get all the letters in your name. Okay, so Mrs. Walker will have tables set up, and since I only have one of each letter stamp, you're going to have to go from table to table to find the ones for your name. Okay, so I don't have this set up right now because I'm just doing this as a demonstration for you, but like A, B, and C will probably be at one table, okay, or with one color. I'm trying to find A here. I don't see it. It might be in a different box. Hold on a second. I'll have to look for it. Let me pause this. Okay, I'm back, and I put the letters each on a different color stamp pad. I put 3 on each, except I kind of at the end there I ended up with 4. So what you'll want to do M, so I'm going to go to the table that has the M, and the M is probably going to be on the orange, and I'm going to stamp myself an M. Do I need 1 M or 2 M's? Well, if you look at my name, I only need 1 M, right? So I'm just going to take the M, push it on the ink pad, and stamp myself an M. Okay, I got, ooh, that didn't stamp very good. I guess I need to dip it in there better. If it doesn't stamp very good, go back in and make a good one. Okay, that's better. I don't even think I need to do it. I don't know if these are dried out. Maybe I need to get a different, let me do it again. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, so I've got my M. Now I need an R. And I see the R is yellow. Now, yellow is a light color, so you're going to want to really make sure, if you're doing a yellow letter, that you get a good stamp on it, okay? So I'm going to really do this quite a while before I actually stamp it on my paper, because I know it didn't come out very dark when I did the M. Let me see if this works. Oh, that turned out good. Now we don't want them touching, okay? Because what I'm going to show you next, once you get your name on there, you're going to go around those with a marker so you have kind of a cutting line. So MR, let me just do S here, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. So S is on the blue. All right, there's the S. Dip it into my blue, and I'm going to really make sure I ink it up well here. I want a good print, don't I? And it doesn't matter if I print it like this. I'm going to do it sideways so you can see. If I print it sideways, as long as it's not touching my R, that's okay, because I'm going to cut that out and it won't matter. I can put it any way I want on my tree, okay? So let me show you what you're going to do next. So let's pretend that Mrs. Walker has all of the letters in my name. I've stamped all of these letters. They're all over my paper. Then I want you to go back with a marker that is the color of your letters. So I need an orange marker, a yellow marker, and a light blue. Okay. Oops, that must have left this one. Hold on a minute. Pause this. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So you're going to take the color that you have, and you're going to make you can make a square around it or a circle, whichever one you want, but don't touch your letter. So I'm going to go around my letter like this. And what you're doing is you're creating a cutting line. We're going to cut it out like that, okay? And then the R, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go around my R. Just kind of making a little bubble around it. And the S. Oh, watch it. It needs to be dry. I just noticed that I smeared my S, so be careful when you're doing this. Maybe we need to wait till they're dry to do this. I didn't realize that would smear like that. But it does, so we do need to give it a little time to dry. So maybe just stamp your letters and then we'll let them dry. We'll circle them and cut them out next time. So when you're ready to cut them out though, I'm going to make my life easier here by cutting around them first in a big circle. Then I'm going to cut between them like this. And then I'm going to do, ooh, I got a little bit close to that one. Then I'm going to cut right along my outline. Remember, we did that bubble for a reason. I want you to try to stay right on your marker line there. I might give you the thicker markers too, because I think my lines could be a little bit thicker. And then when you have these all cut out, we are going to glue them onto our tree any way you want, just like the alphabet letters that were climbing up the chicka chicka boom boom tree, right? We're going to glue ours on there any way we want them. So you can put them up in the tree, you can make them falling down out of the tree, you could have them climbing up the trunk of your tree, however you want them, okay? And that is what we're going to try to get done today, okay? So have fun.